This recipe is super easy and can be done within 5 to 10 minutes. You can eyeball how much water you use depending on how much gel you want to end up with. A good ratio to use is 1/3 seeds to water. The more seeds you use, the thicker it will be. Once you see this foamy texture and the gel becomes thicker, it is ready. So you turn off the flame, and while it's hot, you can strain it, and this will prevent you from having to use a cheesecloth once the gel has already thickened. So once you strain it, you want to add whatever oils you use, whatever oils you want to add, and let it cool. Once it's cool, it's thickened up and ready to use. I made this batch for a face gel I used as a face mask and also a hair gel.